The network calculator method uses a diagram to work out the size of the different segments of the network. This duct size information will be useful when drawing your networks in 2D using the routing commands. Note that there's no dynamic link between the network calculator and the drawing of the network in 2D. Using the line command of your CAD software, start by freely drawing the diagram of your network. Now let's use the supply network calculator command to set the parameters for the calculation variables and the texts to be written. Then, select your diagram and specify its main branch. This transforms it into a dynamic tree structure, which serves as the basis for the network calculator. Texts appear at the top of end branches, awaiting for your flow rate information. Use the supply flow rate command to enter this information. Select the equipment that is located at the top of each branch in the list, and tick the types of text you want to display. Then, assign these flow rates to the relevant branches. Continue assigning your flow rates to all the end branches. The size calculations update automatically on each relevant branch. Now you can draw your design with the right sections thanks to your annotated calculation diagram.